Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Magnifez Technologies. So in this video we are going to talk about dashboards in Dynamics 365 customer engagement. So there are two parts to this video. In the first part we look at what is a dashboard, what are the different components of a dashboard, and when and where we can utilize these dashboards in the customer engagement application. The second part of the video we'll be looking at how we can customize a dashboard, what are the different types of dashboard which you can customize, and how I can create a new dashboard, etc. So let's get started. So here I am in my Dynamics 365 customer engagement application. So I can see dashboards over here, right? So if I select any other application, I do have a lot of application over here. I just go to the default application over here. And when I select that, what I'm seeing here is a dashboard. So here I can see sales activity social dashboard. When I click here, I can see a lot of them, such as customer service manager dashboard, connected field service dashboard, customer service representative dashboard, and then comes knowledge related dashboards, marketing dashboard, Dynamics 365 overview dashboard, then a couple of dashboards on sales, etc. So pretty much you have dashboards on all the application within Dynamics 365 customer engagement. So now I'm able to see all this dashboard because I have access to all the modules. Now if you are not an admin and if you don't have access to all the applications, so the number of dashboards displayed here would be different. For example, if we have access only to the sales application, what you will be able to see is only the sales and marketing dashboards over here, not the rest of them. So as an admin, you can configure them, how and who can see these dashboards in this particular option. So since I'm an admin and I do have access to all this application, I can see all the dashboards over here. I can select any other. I'm just going to select a other dashboard, something like a marketing dashboard. So you will be able to see that what is going to see over here. There is no data available over here. So let me go to customer service operation dashboard. That also doesn't have data. So here I have another dashboard called customer service manager dashboard. So I can see some charts over here, charts on active cases, then active cases, another one, all items, and then another two ones also here, and then there is one chart on all entitlements. So once I click on here, it is just going to give you drill down option. I can change the type of the chart. I can drill down by, created by, and then I can select the type of, change the type of the chart and etc. Depends upon the data available to you, it will change. And then I'm just going back to the same dashboard that I have selected for the first time, which is nothing but sales activity dashboard. So what you're seeing here is nothing but a set of charts, yeah, and then you can see a set of views. So there are different items that you can include in a dashboard. One is a chart, second one is a list, which is nothing but a view, third one is a web resource, fourth one is a iframe, and then you can also show the activity. So these are the components you can display in a dashboard. Also you can display the relationship assistance, etc., which are pretty new and we don't use them much. Most commonly we'll be utilizing these four components in a dashboard. Now here you have option just to create a new. What is this new? This new is nothing but creating a new Dynamics 365 dashboard as well as a Power BI dashboard. So I need to talk about the different types of dashboard to explain this one. So there are mainly two types of dashboard. One is public dashboards, other one is user dashboards. Or in a different, I would say system dashboards as public dashboard, and then user dashboard. So this user dashboards are private dashboard. So as an individual user, you can create a dashboard and you can keep it as private to yourself, which is a user dashboard or a private dashboard, just like private view and public view difference. And the other dashboard is system dashboard or a public one, which will be created and managed by the system admin. So I'll show you that part, how we can create a system dashboard. So once I select here, I'll be able to see a layout over here. I can see the examples over also on the right hand side. I'm not going to create one here. So this is how you are going to create a private or a user dashboard. And if you want to create a system dashboard, we'll go to the settings area and we'll do that. So these are the two types of dashboard in terms of the configuration of dashboards. So you have seen the different dashboards over here, right? And now if I'm going to different application over here, for example, I'll go to the field service application. So the set of dashboard I'm going to access there would be different. depends upon my security roles. So here I have only 2 of them, and unfortunately I don't have a lot of data over here, so I'm not able to see lot of data over here, but I do have a different set of dashboards over here. And if I am going to customer service application over here, this is the one. The list of dashboard I'm going to see would be different. Here I am seeing somewhere around 8 or 9 dashboards, mostly related to customer service, right? So that's how you just manage this one. So that is where you will be able to access the dashboard, and that is the use of dashboards. Now let's get into the customization part. So how you can customize your dashboards. So for that I just need to go to settings, advanced settings, then I need to go to customizations, customize the system. That way I'm just opening up the default solution over here. So once I open up the default dashboard, that is where I'm going to access my dashboard and customize them. So here in the solution I'll be able to see my dashboards. Now one thing to note over here, you will be able to see 2 dashboards over here. You just note it down. One is the normal common dashboard, or a public dashboard I would say, which I can access here. You can see the list of all the dashboard. So this is the most commonly used one. Now there is another type of dashboard is there, which is known as interactive dashboard, which is hardly we use that, which is entity specific. So if I look at the solution over here, you can see that this solution is outside of the entities. That means these are common or generic dashboards. Now if I go to any particular entity, as part of the components, I'll be able to see a dashboard. This one. This is known as interactive dashboard. These are entity specific. So most of the time, 99% of time, you will be creating generic dashboards which can display details from multiple entities. So that is the one we mostly use. So I'll just go to the dashboards over here. So you are able to see the list of all the dashboards available in my organization over here. You can see the display name, the name type, and then the description, etc. You can see the interactive dashboards also over here. Under type, you can see dashboard. These are the generic one. And under type, you can see interactive dashboard. These are the entity specific dashboards. So how you customize these two are pretty much the same. There is no much difference. So I'll just select any of the existing dashboards over here. I can see customer service representative dashboard. Let me open that up. So once I double click on it, what I'm seeing here is the dashboard editor window. So here I get a lot of options. I get the option to save it. I get the option to close this designer. Properties. I click on it. I'll be able to see the name of this particular dashboard and the description, and also one more option over here, just to enable this dashboard for mobile. If I want this dashboards to be displayed for the users on the mobile device, I need to select this one. Click OK. Then I have an option here to click the component. So what is a component? So in a dashboard, we have a layout. So that layout basically just showing the different components in that particular dashboard, such as the chart, the list, the web resource, and etc. So these are the components. You can see this is one component, this is another one, and this is a third one. You can see the selection happening over here, right? Now if I want to customize this particular component, I just need to click on edit component. That will open up this one. So what I can customize over here, I can just give a schema name, which I can give any name. I can just select some color for the panel header. Then I can select the entity. Here I have selected cases and then the default view. So this you might have seen in some other place. When you're just configuring a view or a chart for an entity, you will configure something similar to like this, right? At least when you're configuring a view. So you have to select the entity, you have to select the default view and etc. And then what is the chart option? You can say that what kind of chart it should be and click OK. So now instead of showing the case mix chart of the cases over here, I can just change that into something else. I can change that into accounts, and then I say my active accounts or all accounts. So that is what is going to show now. And the type of chart also I can customize over here. But for that I have to just navigate to this particular chart, and then there I need to customize it. For now I'm not trying to do that. I'm instead selecting that. So whether it should be displayed on the phone or not, that I'm selecting over here. Pretty much I'm selecting over here. Just click OK. So like this I have different components. One is the chart, other one is list. List is nothing but a view. So if I need to display a view over here instead of a web resource, I can select that. So here I can see one chart. You can see the name over here. So this is showing cases by priority. If I want to change that, you know the option now, right? Edit component. So here it is trying to show a web resource. It can be an image, it can be HTML file or anything I can embed here. Very similar to this, I can even embed an iframe over here. So I'm trying to customize this component, edit component. So I'm seeing here there is a HTML file I have embedded over here with this name and label. It will be displayed over here. So that means when this dashboard is displayed, this content will be displayed over as a web resource. So now if I want to customize this, I can simply edit it and can change the web resource over here. So when it's come to changing the the layout of this particular dashboard, it is not that easier. For example, I have displayed a view over here. I can see this is a list of activities. My activities list I am displaying over here. So if I need to change the width of this one, I have an option. If I want to add two views over here, I have an option over here just to increase or decrease width. So I'm just going to say decrease width. So yeah, I have decreased width once. I have going to decrease width once again. So you can see it here. So there are 3 columns over here, right? So now I can add some columns over here, but mind you, this is a very difficult option in the sense, once you set the layout while creating the dashboard, after that if I'm trying to change this layout like this, then adding comments etc would be difficult. If I'm trying to add a comment over here like this as a chart, it is account, view, etc. I select and click add. So it will be coming like this. You can see this is a new chart I have added. If I want to add that here, I need to pull that and put it here. Yeah, now you can see it. Okay, so I select here and then I just go to a list here. So what is the list? I say cases. I select a case, my active cases, click case. So it appears here. I just need to. So why I said it is difficult, because the layout will be changing. So now these are 3 columns and 3 I have added without disturbing much. But if I want to add one view of this size and another view of this size and etc., it will be a bit difficult to deal with. So normally the layout we are not trying to change while customizing the dashboard. Instead, while creating the dashboard itself, we have to set that. So what I did is I just customized this particular dashboard, right? Customer service representative social dashboard. So I have made some changes, right? And now let's see how it will look like. So I just save it, close it. That is not enough. I just need to come here and then I need to publish that one. I have made some changes, so I need to publish this entire solution. That's what I'm going to do. So publish all customizations. I just did that. So we just publish the solution and then I'll go back to the dashboard. Just refresh the page. So what I'm going to see is the customized dashboard. So let's have a look. So I'll just go to my default app and then I check it. So this is the dashboard we just customized. So there you go. You can see, right? This is what we have customized. So the changes that we have done is working fine. Now how you can create a new dashboard? If it is a system dashboard, what you have to do is just need to go back to the same solution, go to dashboards and then click new. So select a normal dashboard or interactive experience dashboard. I select the first one. So here I have different layout. I need to select one, 3 column regular dashboard, 3 column multi-focus dashboard and etc. So I'll just go for a simple one, 3 column overview dashboard. I can see some examples over here. Click on create. So what I got here is a dashboard designer with empty items. So I just enter information over here like sales and marketing dashboard. That's the name I'm going to give here, and then I click save. So I just created a fresh empty dashboard over here. Now I just need to customize the components. So I can see there's a tab over here, there is another tab over here. So I can just rename them for sure, right? So these are the sections inside this dashboard. I select this one, click edit component. So this is nothing but a tab. So I can just give tab 1. So it doesn't have a lot of importance. So now here in the sections I can see there are 5 components, right? This is a chart, this is insert a list, insert an assistant, insert a iframe, etc. So I click on the chart first. As per this layout, I'm not going to change it. So I need to select the entity over here. So I'm just going to select leads, yep, and select the view, all leads, and then select the chart. So you can see here the list of the entity. Once you select, you can see the list of views and list of chart. This is fixed, you can't change it. You just need to select one. I'm going to select leads by rating. This is the one. You can see the sample over here. Click add. So you just add a new chart over here. Now next you need to add a chart again. So I'm going to say yes. What is we are going to add it here? I'm going to add opportunities, my open opportunity, and top customers. You can change it. I have a lot of them. Change anything that you like to have. It should have data for sure. So I'm going to say top customers and then click OK. So like this I can keep add. Next I'm going to add a view. So for view I need better width, but still I add one over here. I'm sorry about it. Click add. Scrolling down here I have an option. So it's look like I can add a web resource over here. I can select any web resource. So it can be an image or an HTML file. I don't know what is going to be displayed over here. So I can select for an HTML file over here. So I'll look for more records, search for HTML files, and then I select one. So I select HTML files and then I just select something. I have no idea what is going to be displayed. So, or in a better way I would say I will display I display one web resource over here, selecting this one, edit the comments. So now it is showing a view, right? So what I should do is I should delete this particular component, remove it, then I come here, then I add a web resource, then I should do the process again, select it, click OK. It should work. I should give some name, HTML, just give some name, and it appears here. I just need to put it back here. So I have the option to undo it here, one more undo. So here I'm just going to add a list here. I select which entities. I'm just going to say opportunities, my open opportunities, added. So this is a new dashboard I have created with this name, sales and marketing dashboard. I save it, then I close the dashboard. Rest of the operation you know, just publish all customizations. And once it is published, now you are free to go ahead and check the dashboard that you have just created. So look like it is published. So I'll just go back to my dashboards area, just refresh my application, then I'll look for the new dashboard just created. So in case if you are not able to see the new dashboard created over here, it may be because of the publishing issue. So you can come back here and publish all customization once again, and then you can try it. Alright, so we just published the new dashboard. I come back to the application and I'm just checking that one. Let me check if I have that one. Yeah, here it is, sales and marketing dashboard. So every flow that you have done here, you'll be able to see it here. Okay, so this is the dashboard I have just created with the name sales and marketing dashboard. You can see the charts and view you have just added. Yep, it's working fine, everything good. And now if you want to make any changes to this dashboard, to the name or any chart or anything, if you want to make changes, what do you have to do? You know it now, right? You just need to go to the solution and then you have to make the change. That's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions on the dashboard part in customer engagement, you can ask us questions below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.